Let's go. The Taylor hair collection. Let's do this. Family, how y'all doing? It's been a while. It's been a while. I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. I love y'all, but it's been a while. Don't hate me. Anyways, we're back. We're back at it again. Okay, so anyways, this video is going to be a hair review / tutorial. You guys have been talking to me about what I do for my twist outs, all that good stuff, and so this is why sis is covered up, okay? Because it's a mess under here. It's a mess. But my girl Taylor sent me some stuff, so I'm gonna go over that really quick with you guys. You can go ahead and find most of his hair products under tailored_hair, but this again is the Tailored Hair Collection. Oh, my bag smells good. My bag smells so good. I always get excited to get like stuff. Oh, what else is in here? What else you got? Oh my God. Is there more? Oh, there's more. Oh, and a conditioning cap because that's real. This right here is so cute. So adorable. It's a bonnet, which I have my bonnet underneath here. We're not gonna talk about that. But anyways, Tailored Hair, she did that. This whole Tailored Hair collection is gonna be amazing. So let's just quickly go over it because I gotta wash my hair. And go ahead and twist it up for tonight because tomorrow we're gonna see how this twist out turns out. But let's see. So we have the hydrating shampoo. All right, so I'm one for always opening stuff up and smelling it right away. It smells really good, like botanicals or something. All right, so this is what we're gonna use to actually, of course, wash our hair. And then we have the hydrating conditioner. Adds luster, enhances curls, detangles kinks. My hair. Oh, oh. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no. Y'all, I really did have this finagle on here. Like, I'm surprised it stayed as long as it did. See how we did that? We're back at it. I just gotta calm down a little bit more. I'm just good that this actually has detangler in it because I would hate to, I always don't like having to wash my hair, condition it, then put detangler in there. Like, it's a headache. Oh my gosh, it smells good too. It's a slightly more like creamy smell. Is that a thing? I don't think it is. But it does smell a lot like the shampoo, which is great because, you know, I be mixing my stuff up and my hair be smelling crazy. All right, curl enhancing cream. Let's look at this. So debate. I want you guys to go under, first of all, this smells just like everything else, the part of the collection, so that smells amazing. Are you a cream or are you a gel kind of gal for your hair, for you doing your twist outs? Because I have some creams and I have some gels and I really don't know what works best for my hair personally. I just be like, what do I get my hands on first? Which one do we pick up first? Which one is this? Which one is that? So I'm probably gonna be glad to actually try a cream based one. I feel like cream is just a little bit more nourishing than gel ones are, but I feel like gels sometimes give you more definition. So I don't know, we're gonna see which one this one falls under the category of, but I know that it says curl enhancing cream. So that makes me excited. Also, I can read all of the ingredients on here. Like, I don't know how important that is to people, but for me it is. And the first ingredient is water and coconut oil. Can y'all read the ingredients on y'all hair care products? Y'all know all them names? Right, let's go ahead and go to washing our hair because y'all ready for this? Oh my God, oh my God. It's just, you can't make this look nice. You just can't. So until then, this is what we're gonna do. This is what we're gonna do. Let's go.
So this shampoo is doing a great job at sudsing up and allowing me to really be able to cleanse my scalp. So I actually washed my hair twice, but I'm only going to show you guys really one time of me going through and sudsing it up. But it does a great job. It really smells really, really good. And of course, it's getting in there. Now I'm going in with the conditioner. So I actually put a little too much on there, but we're gonna go ahead in, and this is just how I apply my conditioner. I don't really like to go all over the hair shaft, but that's of course the goal in general. But really your scalp is gonna be the first #1 priority just for me. And so you're gonna see when I start combing my hands through how easy and how this just automatically detangles my hair as I go through and comb it. So this right here is doing a great job at cleansing and doing the rest of what it's supposed to do, and it's detangling. I mean, like, look at that. Only took me about 2 or 3 swipes through before I could actually get through my whole entire portion of the hair without any crazy tangles. I mean, look how great this is doing of just combing through the tangles. And look at the curls afterwards. Like, eek! Such a great conditioner.
All right, you guys, I'm back after washing my hair. I mean, it smells good. It smells really good. And it's actually all like, y'all, purely don't have to go through any tangles. Like,
so I'm just going in right now, just separating and just doing 2-strand twists. So I'm just going to go ahead, and normally you would use a spray bottle, but because my hair is a little still damp, I'm not going to use it for right now until I get to the top. But I am using that curling cream, and I'm just using that, applying it on my hands in kind of a dime size, and then rubbing that through my hair and then twisting my hair up. Because again, we're going to eventually use some perm rods and go ahead and get those ends nice and curly. But again, just twisting it on up.
how was y'all's day today? I hope it was good. I hope it was blessed. I hope that you can find something good, one thing good that happened today. If you can name more, that is also amazing, but just one thing that happened good in your life, because again, we want to make sure that we are being thankful for the good and that we are, you know, praising God for the good and not just talking to him when we're in trouble. You know what I mean? Because God is not a 911 service, okay? You should be talking to him all the time. You should be calling him every day, okay? You should be saying, Lord, let me tell you about my great day. Look what you did. You were amazing. Look, God, Jesus. Look what you did for me today. Not just, Lord, help me. I got some issues today. You should talk to him all the time.
Amen.
Okay. Okay. All right, that's my word of the day, my moment of the day, my praise break. Ooh, wow. Grapeseed, castor, olive, 𝘂𝗶𝗱𝗲.
Nope.
I call it 𝘂𝗶𝗱𝗲,
Nope.
but that's not the name. 𝘂𝗶𝗱𝗲,
Nope.
whatever.
Nope.
Go whatever. Tea tree, rosemary, and peppermint. You can smell all of it. So I actually get little perm rods. You can use these are the gray ones. Either size works. I will go in here, wrap like that, and twist it on up. So I'm actually gonna put these two together because they're on the same plane, but we're gonna just go ahead, wrap, hold that, twist, 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 then twist to be up linear like that. So again, this right here is Tailored Hair Collection. I know what it is upside down because I put it on correct. We're gonna see y'all. See you in the morning. Good morning, y'all. So we're gonna go ahead and take the cap off. Sorry, I already took one out because I got excited. So technically, I've had these in for like 24 hours. And I know a lot of you guys. Yesterday was a really gross rainy day, so I said, why even bother taking my hair out if I can't even wear it because it'll get messed up. So anyways, go ahead and put your growth serum on your hands. Let's go ahead and just try this out. Wow. Y'all. Woohoo! So now we're gonna go ahead and stretch everything out. This is when I really want to put oil on my hands, because you are gonna be supposed to be running your hands through your curls. So I'm gonna do this right here first. This right here is a good example of a untwisted one. We're gonna go ahead and just follow the part. Wherever your hair naturally wants to part at, go ahead and use that to your advantage. Try not to disrupt the curl as much, but you see how we did that and we separated all that stuff. So let's just keep doing that all around the hair. All right, guys, I'm back. So, wow. Wow. I am loving this. So, I mean, initial thoughts, A, all of it smells amazing. And then B, this growth serum made my scalp tingly. It made it refresh. It made it non-flaky. Like all these things that I absolutely love about this. And I just really feel like my hair is gonna go ahead and just like eat this all up. I mean, it says it stimulates the scalp. It will stimulate and thaw. And the curl enhancing cream, honey, like, I don't know how many times I have to say this, but this actually did wonders. And the shampoo and conditioner, like, literally smell good. The conditioner, y'all, did y'all see how easily it was detangled? Like, I ran my hair through it, my hands through it. Like, my hands through my hair to detangle was probably the easiest I've ever had that done before. So, I'm just saying, we're all talking good stuff right now. A+, honey. Taylor. Killed it. So go ahead, do what you gotta do to get this information, y'all, to get this line, to do whatever you gotta do, because the Taylor hair collection did my hair wonders, and I cannot wait to show you guys more twist out videos, more awesome ways that I style my hair, all that good stuff. So thank you for being amazing. Keep being you and wonderful. Don't let anybody tell you different. Okay? All right, guys, until next time. Bye.
Hey, y'all. I'm just coming on to show you guys. This is day 3 twist out from the Tailored collection with their curl cream. I'm just saying.